struggling with your oral health, you may have been suffering with cavities in your teeth, inflammation and pain on your teeth and gums, a bad breath. You have been going to the dentist, but the problem seems to always come back. Guys, I have to explain why it is happening and why the ProDentim is a solution for you. So stay with me until the end of this video so you can understand everything about it and also some alerts, okay? But if you watch this video until the end and you still want to buy it, I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video. But let's go, guys. You know that a lot of people, they develop problems in their oral health and they go to the dentist, but then it comes back, and I'm going to explain you. So guys, inside of our mouth we have two bacteria, the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. The bad bacteria is responsible for causing all of this damage inside of our mouth, okay, like cavities, inflammation, a bad breath, and all of that. And the good bacteria is responsible for protecting our teeth and gums from the bad bacteria. So if you have been struggling with all of these problems, maybe you have a low protection of the good bacteria, and that's what we have to change. Of course, if you go to the dentist, he will solve your problem on that moment because it will, close the cavities, it will treat the inflammation, but then with time it will all come back because you don't have the good bacteria that is protecting your mouth. And that's why the ProDentim will help you guys. This supplement is completely natural. It is made only by organic ingredients, and it has a blend of 3.5 probiotics that will restore your mouth and also boost the production of the good bacteria. So it will treat all of your problems, boost the production of the good bacteria so it can continue protecting your teeth, gums, and breath, okay? All of that in just one formula. The ProDentim is not a capsule you need to swallow. It's just a tablet. You have to chew it every single day for at least 3 months. But I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results, okay? And you just have to do all of that. Then you will have whiter teeth, healthier teeth and gums, a fresh breath. Seriously, guys, the ProDentim is everything. Everybody should take it. In addition to all of these benefits, they even offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test the ProDentim, and if you don't see results, you just have to talk to them that they will return all of your money back. So you will literally have nothing to lose here. I just have an alert to you guys, which is where you're going to purchase this supplement, because the ProDentim is only available to buy on the official website. It is not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video, and this is the only place you can buy the original ProDentim from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. Also on the official website is the place you can check the complete information about it, people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product, so it's pretty worth it to go and check it out.